What's up, guys? Today we about to go to Surf World and also just ride around a little Fort Lauderdale. Well, I say Oakland Park / Fort Lauderdale, but that's what it really is. So I guess that's what we're going to do today and stuff, pretty much. But let's get the day started. Yeah, going down this way. This is imagine going down this way when it's dark. Today I'm in Fort Lauderdale, but I don't know where. God. See what happens. I can't do that, bro. So much freaking, what's it called again? They got so much freaking speed bumps. Holy shit. Oh, car accident. Guess so. Feels so good. Here. Here. Here, go up here, chase the iguanas. But I love just like just taking detours. It just be fun. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's just fun. Oh man. But guess what? Now I go all the way around now. Now I go this way. I think I can. What's getting built here though? Alright. Yep, I can actually go all the way around. The gym foundation. Oh, okay. so we in the surfing spot, surf world. Just looking at the boards. Oh, it's pretty nice. Like this board, it's a nice board. That nice boards, and they also got skateboards too. But yeah, we in surfing spot. It's dope. Pretty dope in here. And they got swim the suits too. I'm trying to look for another board because we don't have a lot of waves in Florida, so I want to get a long board. That's my next board because my other board,
normally like Melbourne and all that gets a lot more waves.
can't really do it. Alright you guys, I ain't pop a wheelie in a while, bro. One more time. As you can tell, I ain't do this in a while. There it goes. I just gotta practice a little bit more. Let me try one more time, Alright. One more time. Alright, home. Let this car go past. I'm gonna give it some try. I'm gonna keep practicing. One more time. I'm supposed to be going home, but I gotta get this down, bro. I got to. There it go. I just need to keep it up a little bit more, bro. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. I keep losing control of the bike. I'm gonna get this pat down, bro. I'm just doing it off throttle. I'm not even pedaling because it's kind of hard to pedal a little bit. So I'm just doing it with throttle. And throttle is kind of fucking hard a little bit. I had got it up a little bit. Alright, it's my last try. Fuck. One more try. Alright, well, last one. There. Had it. I'm gonna count that. I just gotta practice a little bit more, bro. A little bit more, I would have had it, bro. I swear. A little bit more, I would have had it.